everyone, I hope you are well. Today I'm off on another adventure. I'm going to a farm. I invited my friend Mimi, so she will be meeting me there. Please just stay tuned. Alright, enjoy your day. So today I'm at Stanhill Farm Pumpkin Patch. I'm here to check out pumpkins and to take pictures, obviously. So yeah, I'm just gonna go there and see what it's all about. It's absolutely beautiful. It's reminding me of Uganda. It's just reminding me of being out in Uganda somehow. So yeah, I'm really excited to just be here and just be out in where there are crops. This is just part of the farm. It's a really nice day today as well. Tiny pumpkins over here. The larger pumpkins here, orange ones. Big pumpkins, absolutely mammoth. Here they have massive pumpkins. Massive. We are at Stanhill Farm. I'm with Mimi today and we're pumpkin picking. So we have our wheelbarrow ready to go. There's a couple of colours to choose from. I'm going to take it. Probably going to choose a different one actually. Mimi, what do you think about that one?
Which one?
That wheelbarrow over there.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, look good for that one.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's go.
No, Mimi, but I was thinking about a different colour.
Go for purple.
No, Mimi.
Oh, I'm sorry, say this one.
Yes, I think I'm just gonna go for a different one. I think, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
What colour?
Probably kind of like blue, purplish.
Okay, fine.
Yeah?
Perfect. Yeah, go for it.
Okay, so let's go pick some pumpkins. Yay! So as you can see, there's the prices for pumpkins. It's 85p per kilo. Munchkins, I guess they are like the tiny ones. I think £1 each. And they also sell toffee apples for 80p each. Filming you. So we're finally at the pumpkin patch. Is that? You never knew. Which my mom specifically requested. And then we have red pumpkins over here. Red to green. And this is where you come to pay. And these are tomatoes. The farm now. Mimi, did you have fun?
A wonderful time. My sister Atiba. Hey.
We're finally on our way back. Your own pumpkins. It's actually a very beautiful neighborhood. I'm seeing really pretty houses. Yeah, every house is standing out in its own little way. This is the pumpkin I ended up getting. This is the one that my mom requested, and it's like a greenish, grayish color. So yeah, I'm gonna be cooking this.